Hey, get back in the car.
I'm just gonna go on top.
Okay, fine. Don't care.
Cool, why is it making that noise?
Oh shoot.
Please don't crash.
I dropped you. Dude. Oh. I lost my, lost it back. Okay.
Oh gosh, I'm trying,
Click from the hamburger. You're holding the hamburger.
No!
Okay, you ready?
Thanks for getting me McDonald's.
Yes. Oh. No. Wait, is my engine? Dude, the car caught on fire!
Oh my god!
Go, 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 go! Dude.
What do we do now?
These bells are driving Rudolph nuts.
Let's find another car.
These bells are driving Rudolph nuts.
There's a
Let's go in someone's house.
Look, there's a van. There's a car right there. Let's go hijack it.
Okay. We're so right.
It's kind of too far now. No, we'll just like stop in the middle.
Let me spawn a car.
Okay. Oh yeah. Wait, can I spawn one?
Too late.
Pretty cool. Can I drive?
Fine.
Okay, how do you drive?
So you
that's
have to hit R first.
Okay.
Then just use WASD.
Oh. How do you turn?
WASD. Hit D.
I'm trying. D?
D. W and D. Have you ever driven a car in Roblox? Oh my gosh.
What? It won't turn for me. Oh gosh. The hood. Wait, where are the controls again? Wait, okay.
Dude.
What? Warning lights? Switch transmission mode. Handbrake. How do I turn that? How do I put that
D.
down? I'm hitting D.
With W. Why
There,
isn't it letting you?
Why? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not driving.
Okay.
Wait, actually, let's just drive together. Okay. Y? I have to hit Y? Oh my god!
Oh my god! The semi is hitting you.
I'm gonna...
Is it playing music?
I'm hijacking their car.
Wait, there's a club over here. Wait, I want to play music.
Turn signal.
I'm so overstimulated. Get in the car.
Okay.
You're holding a snowball.
I know.
Where's this Russian music coming from?
I don't know.
Oh, the semi! Yeah, we gotta get out of here. Okay, go, 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 go. Dude, our front is smashed. They're shooting us! Okay, turn!
Oh!
Oh, did you see that? Go open the hood. Okay, this is how I'm gonna drive.
Yeah.
Okay, can I get through here? No. Who's shooting us? Is it you? Dude. Our car's on fire!
Gosh.
Dude.
I'm sorry. Wait, crap. Oh my
Get
gosh.
out of the car!
I know!
Okay,
Car.
Wait. Motorbike.
See, that seems easier. Let me spawn a blue one. Both want blue.
I think it's only one per person.
Oh, do I have to turn on her? See, this is so much easier.
Dude, it turns so much harder. Oh my gosh. Dude, it won't
Are
let
we
me get
dead?
up. Are we dead? Or just hit R. Okay. How do I
Respawn.
flip my car?
You just get on it. How do I get? Hold on.
Let's go.
Wait, I can't get up. Ooh.
Okay, come this way.
Hold on.
This is so hard to drive.
Because we're driving on snow.
Oh, dude, I just hit a stick jump and crashed.
Oh, I keep on turning around.
I know, it's because you're turning so hard.
Oh, it crashed again.
Hey, where'd you go?
Okay, I'm just gonna follow the road.
Wait, no, we need to stick together.
Okay, I'm still by like that pile of snow.
Did I break it?
My car won't move. Oh, there.
Yes, sir, come here.
This is
Hurry
so
up.
hard. I'm
Dude.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Come on,
Where are you? Okay.
right here.
I'm kind of bad at this. Okay, let's follow this road. My God.
It won't let me turn.
Why is there shooting?
This is what we're doing. Instead of... Okay, that's it. I'm getting a car. It's making me mad.
No, I like this better than a car. It's just kind of easier to crash.
Well, I have a ambulance.
Ooh, see, so you can help me if I like crash. Ooh, I crashed again. This is very easily
The
crashing.
horn on this thing is so freaking stupid.
Oh no.
Get out of my way, loser.
I can't move. Oh, my bad.
Need to help someone need.
I crashed, I need help.
Hey, get in my ambulance.
Look at my legs. They're
Get
broken.
in my ambulance. Come on.
They're broke. They're broken.
Get in my ambulance.
Okay. Wait, I can't see.
Get in.
Oh, he's on my legs.
Wait, Wait, hold on. Let me get in.
Look at my legs.
Open. I know,
This
I
is
saw.
so funny.
Okay. Wait.
Like a Lego figure.
Okay, I'm gonna
My
take
ice
you
cream,
to
like,
the
fully
hospital.
melted. Okay, thanks.
Oh. Why is it turning?
It's a little bumpy back here.
It won't stop turning. I'm not even hitting the turn.
Is Ryan even still here?
He's in the goal.
Guess I'm stuck here.
It won't let me turn.
No, you got this. Just hit Y and turn. That's your back of the Jed.
No. It's still.
Let me try driving.
Here we go. Oh no.
car. This is fun.
Okay.
Ouch. I'm still
Okay,
bumpy.
let me be the injured person.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wait, sir, I'm in help. I need help.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to use this, but oh my gosh. Thank you, sir. Get in the van. I mean, ma'am.
Sliding away.
Ma'am, get up. You could do this. Okay. Get in the van. No, let go of the Santa. You gotta get in.
Dude, look at his face. The car
We're gonna
coming.
get hit. Get in. Get in.
I'm in the car. Go. Go.
Okay.
Go.
We're gonna get hit.
Go.
Okay. Hold on, let me shut my door. Practicing safety and all that. Okay.
I'm in the driver's seat.
Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Wait, it won't let me.
Oh my god.
Am I
Just saw a
okay?
fatal accident.
We did. I think that's the police's job to deal with. Okay, so we're gonna. Wait, I need to zoom out. Okay, yeah. 3-point turn.
I'm so overstimulated. Hit H for the horn. Oh my gosh. Stab.
Dude. Oh,
Dude.
back it up. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Hey, take me to the
I'm driving in
hospital.
the wrong lane. Stupid.
He just hit a biker.
Get.
Dude, this is so funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, our car is gonna explode. To the hospital now.
Oh, it's not. You know what I call this? The Wondermobile.
Take me to the hospital.
Oh gosh.
Where is it?
Oh.
It's a little bumpy.
running.
There's shrimp in the next set. No, just me.
Okay, a little off-roaded. Never heard nobody.
Shrimp on the next exit. No? Have you ever seen that?
No, I can't hear you.
There's shrimp on the next exit.
Ooh.
Esther.
I love shrimp. No one's there.
The
You just
police.
hold on, okay, ma'am?
Where are you taking me?
The hospital.
Oh.
Here, I think it's easier to drive right here.
Oh. Doors. Bro,
Oh.
I'm exposed.
You're fine. You're fine, madam. Please, calm
I'm
down.
gonna slide out.
See, we're almost there. Let's go this
Where?
way. The
Can't even
hospital.
get up the hill.
I'm dead.
It's gonna get dark. You just go walk around the block and then come down.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta go. Thank you. I gotta go real quick to walk Charlie and Echo.
Goodbye.